A good day, everyone. For today, I am going to discuss a certain topic in our subject comparative economic planning. But before anything else, I'm going to group you into two, and I am going to provide you jumbled letters which you are going to arrange in order to form a new word. And these words are related to our topic for today. So, are you ready? Okay, here are the jumbled letters. So, what have you formed out from the jumbled letters? Okay, these are the system, quality, and management. So, out from the words being formed, what do you think would be our topic for today? Okay, so our topic for today is about quality management system. So, um, what is a quality management system? So, a quality management system is a documentation of a business, process, functions, and policies necessary for the continuous improvement of quality aimed to ensure customer expectations and requirements are met or exceeded. So, in short, a QMS helps a company to meet its regulatory requirements and customer requirements um, and make continuous improvements to its operations. So, the QMS is designed to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and resources you need to fully understand what quality management systems are and how they can help you improve your business functions in its day to day functions. Now we have the types of management. We have the standardized systems. So there are many different types of quality management systems. So each with their own advantages and disadvantages. So these are the common. So we have the standardized system. So these rely on established standards and follow agreed codes and regulations. So examples include the ISO certifications such as ISO 901, and to pass ISO standards, a business needs to satisfy all the requirements relating to quality documentations as well as audits. So ISO documentation is voluntary for many businesses. Then we have the total quality management. So TQM is a management framework that relies on continuous organization wide efforts to ensure long-term customer loyalty and success. It places a strong focus on processes, measurement, and controls as means of continuous improvement. So total quality management can be summarized as a management system for a customer focus or organization that involves all employees in continual improvement. It uses strategies, data, effective communications to integrate quality discipline into the culture and activities of the organization. Then we have the continuous quality improvement. So, um, the emphasis of continuous quality improvement is on teams and individuals and their importance, ensuring the quality of products and services. So, one of the most continuous improvement tool is a four-step quality model, the plan, do, check, act, or the PDCA cycle. Then the last one, we have the Six Sigma. So, under this approach, the processes are defined, measured, analyzed, and controlled to achieve the maximum quality. So, this Six Sigma is to increase customer satisfaction and profitability by streamlining operations, improving quality, and eliminating defects in every organization-wide process. Then we have the ISO 901 2015 and other QMS standards. So, um, ISO 901 2015 is the most recognized and implemented quality management system in the world. So, ISO 901 is defined as the international standard that specifies requirements for quality management system. So, organizations use a standard to demonstrate the ability to consistently provide products and services that meet customer and regulatory requirements. So it is the most popular standard in the ISO 2019 series and the only standard in the series to which organizations can certify. So the ISO 901 was first established in 1987 by the International Organization for Standardization, ISO, an international agency composed of the national standards bodies of more than 160 countries. So the current version of ISO 901 was released last September 2015. So other standards related to quality management systems include the rest of the ISO 9000 series, including ISO 14000 series, ISO 13485, ISO 19011, and the IATF 16945, which is for the quality management systems for automotive related products. Then, who should use the ISO 901 2015 revision? So the ISO is applies to any organization, regardless of size or industry. Um, then Organizations of all types and sizes find that using the ISO 901 standard helps them organize processes, improve the efficiency of processes, and of course, organizations continually improve. So, all organizations that use the ISO 901 are encouraged to transition to ISO 901 2015 as soon as possible. So this includes only organizations that are certified to 901 2008, but also any organizations involved in the training or certifying others. Establishing and implementing a QMS. So before establishing a quality management system, organization must identify and manage various connected multifunctional processes to help ensure customer satisfaction. So, um, in establishing or implementing a QMS, these are the basic steps that are um, necessary to in the implementation. So first we have the design and build, then deploy, then control and measure, and the last one we have the review and improve. Oh yes, then the design and build portion serves to develop the structure of a QMS, its processes and plans for implementation. Senior management should oversee this portion to ensure the needs of the organization and the needs of its customers are driving force behind the system's development. Then deploy. So deployment is best served in a granular fashion by breaking through processes down into sub-processes and educating staff on documentation, education, training tools, and metrics. So company intranets are increasingly being used to assist in the deployment of quality management systems. Then we have the control and measure. So control and measurement are two areas of establishing a QMS that are largely accomplished through routine systematic audits of the quality management system. So these specific vary greatly from organization to organization depending on size, potential risk, and environmental impact. Then the review and they improve. So review and the improve detail how the results of an audit are handled. So the goals are to determine the effectiveness and efficiency of each processes towards its objectives, to communicate these findings to the employees, and to develop new best practices and processes based on the data collected during the audit. Then, what is the purpose of a QMS system? So, the goal of a QMS system is to provide consistency. So, your customers should know what to expect from your company, and they should receive the same quality from every purchase they make from you. So if you can provide that assurance, you'll be able to maintain your existing customers while creating reputation for quality that will bring more clients on your way. Then A QMS can also aid in your compliance efforts. So, the data generated by your system can help you to analyze your organization and determine any areas where compliance issues may arise. So, data management can also be particularly useful for internal audits and other tests of your overall data landscape. Then, benefits of quality management system. So, implementing a quality management system affects every aspect of an organization's performance. So, benefits of a documented quality management system include meeting the um, customer's requirements, um, which helps to instill confidence in the organization. So, in turn, to leading more customers, more sales, and more businesses. Then, meeting the organization's requirements. So, which ensures compliance with regulations and provisions of products and services in the most cost and resource efficient manner. So, creating room for expansion, growth, and profit. So, these benefits offer additional advantages, including defining, improving, and controlling processes, reducing waste, preventing mistakes, lowering cost, facilitating and identifying training opportunities, engaging staff, setting organization wide direction, communicating a readiness to procedure, consistent results. So that would be all for my report about quality management system. I am hoping that you have gained something. So are there any clarifications or any questions? Okay, so um, now I am going to present the um, various research suggestions. So I have three. So for the first research suggestion, I have a study on effect of performing quality management system on organizational productivity. Then the second one, we have the total quality management, quality customer satisfaction. Then the last, we have the total quality management, a path to sustainable growth and improvement. So that's all for the um, research suggestions. Now, to at this point, I am going to assess what you have learned out from the discussion. So, I am going to provide you a short quiz. So, um, our short quiz would be in a form of an enumeration or identification in which you are going to provide the correct answer. So, here it is. So, for the first question, give the two purposes of a QMS system. Second, what are the types of quality management systems? So, third, what are the benefits of quality management system? Then the fourth, provide the basic steps in implementing a quality management system. And for the last item, organizations of all types and sizes find that using ISO 901 standard helps them. So, helps them what? So, you have to provide the correct answer. So, that would be all. So, I hope I am able to provide you with the necessary information and that you have learned something about quality management. So, thank you.